Hey guys, it's Ed. Today we're going to be unboxing the long-awaited DJI Mavic Pro. Now, I've been waiting for this thing for over a month. I ordered it on September 30th, so just so you can get a reference of when you might be getting yours. I just got this yesterday, the 10th. It took about 4 days from the time that I got the email saying that it was shipped for me to receive it at home. So this is it. And today we're going to be unboxing it and hopefully get it in the air for a little bit, and I can show you guys what it flies like. This is the box. You see here, it's a very small box. It's very light. It's not heavy for what you get. So let's open it up. This is it. Not much to it. It's a nice box. As you can see, nice cutouts here to protect everything inside. This is the drone itself, huh? You see the propellers on the front ones are not mounted, the rear ones are. So we'll have to mount the new ones. This is the remote. Solid feeling remote. Really feels solid in the hand. Comes with the iPhone cable here. Let's check what else is in here. These are power cords. Looks like this is the micro USB cable I'll be using because I'm using Android and not iPhone. So I'll be using one of these cables. Micro USB cable. I believe this is to charge the remote. Power cable. Instruction manuals. Now, I'm not much for manuals and stuff, but this one I did read online. I downloaded the PDF and I read most of what I could in a couple of days. I recommend you read it. There's a lot of useful information in there. Put that aside for now. Power brick to charge your battery. And you come with two USBs here so you can charge the remote while you're doing that. And in here we have the extra propellers, or the propellers that we need. And looks like we have another set here. Okay, so it comes with two extra propellers, which is only for two, meaning like the front and or the back. So just two. So we'll put this aside and boot this guy up. This I won't need, the iPhone one. We'll need some of these blades though. These out. So put these in. See the white circle there? Goes with the white motor here. And as you can see, the other side doesn't have the white circle. So that's how you know what side they go on. And to put them on, so you just put them in there and then turn them a bit to lock them in place. So you lock them in place. And this is why I recommend you read the manual. Yeah, so they go into these three grooves here. Going like that. You press them down and then you turn them. Here I am. So here's the drone. And this is how we're going to do it. Pull these out. Flip these down. And these just kind of snap into place. So you don't have to worry about that. Press and hold. Okay. And then you do the same with this guy. But first, before you power it on, you gotta remove the gimbal cover and the gimbal lock. You don't want this booting up and it being locked down. As you see, it likes to move around. So it's the same process to boot up the the Mavic as it is with the remote. You press it once and you hold it the second time until it beeps. So then you put your phone in here. Lock in place. Make sure the cable's plugged in. There you go. And this remote actually charges your phone as you're using it. Alright. Ready to go. See, ready to go. Your battery percentage level. Everything is displayed here on the screen. That is. So this comes preloaded as the focus button. This one back here. So let's see what it does. If you can see it on the screen. Yep. See it just focus there? Or you can always do tap to focus. When you do the button, it just does it right in the middle of the screen. So whatever is there. So just always make sure you focus so you don't get that soft video. So here we go. To start it, you pull both of these levers down towards here in the middle. Okay, there you go. My GPS is back on. 1 point is recorded. So pull these down. And we're gonna be taking off. So you can see it's actually pretty quiet for what it's doing, and right now it's just hovering. It's actually not that loud for what it is. You can see the camera. You have the controls here. You can, I don't know if you can see that close. You can see you can maneuver the camera like that. And basically that just beeps saying that you're too close. So let's try that. We'll turn it towards me. And it's looking at me. Let me turn the camera up a little bit. Basically it's saying it's too close, that far away. Right, so we'll try to ram it towards me and see what happens. It's coming. And it stops. Beautiful. Just like advertised. Alright, so let's see if we can fly this guy. See what kind of views you can get. Okay, so now to start recording, you do it with this button here. This button will get you recording, and this one will get you a photo. We'll try a photo. Okay, so right now I'm doing in all auto settings, just so you can see what the video feed is like, and you can get an idea of what yours might be like after some editing. So there she is, hovering, and this stick will go up, this will go down, the left, right, forward, backwards. So let's see how she does. We're gonna take her up a bit and then go forward. Let's see. Alright, let's see if we can do some of these smart features. See, so it locked on me. You click OK. So now, it should follow me. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. And it just follows me. Oh, forgot my water. Let's see. Let's see if it follows me. Yeah, even when you do get close to it, it'll still follow you. Let me grab this. See if it backs up. Oh, it lost me there. Did it? See if I can lose it. No, it's still following. Oh, it's kind of scary when it comes up over your head. Maybe we can tilt this camera up. It's following me, and it's actually rising, following me. So I'll get up to the top of this hill. See if I can focus. Alright. And it stops. So, or you can always just hit stop with this one. And it looks like the image is a little off. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that was my first and second flight after I noticed that the first flight was recorded in 1080p 48, which was the default out of the box for the Mavic. So the video was kind of bad in the beginning, but as you can see later on here at the beach, the video was a lot better. So I have the links below in case you want to go in there and get yourself a Mavic, or you want to get yourself accessories if you already have a Mavic. So like I said, this is my first drone, so I'll be making more videos of the different features of the Mavic. So if you liked this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button, and I can keep these videos coming. And I'll also be doing other different videos with tech stuff and video stuff, but I'm a beginner, so if you're interested in anything like that, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe.